Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Leo de My Spanish Lesson y estoy aquí para enseñarte español. Hello guys, my name is Leo from My Spanish Lesson and I'm here to teach you Spanish. So today we're going to learn about the verbs. We're going to learn regular verb in Spanish. We're going to learn how to conjugate verb in Spanish. You know, in Spanish we have three groups of verbs. First group, second group, third group. Primer grupo, segundo grupo, tercer grupo. So I'm gonna give you all the details how to conjugate verbs in Spanish. So if you want to learn proper Spanish, don't move and watch the video. Thank you guys. Gracias. Hola de nuevo chicos. Hello again guys. Like I said in the intro, today we're going to study el presente de indicativo regular. Los verbos regulares. So we are going to study the regular verbs in Spanish. Like in English, you know, we have regular and irregular verbs. And today we're going to see the regular one. In Spanish, we have three groups of verbs. We have primer grupo, first group, segundo grupo, second group, tercer grupo, third group. So in the first group, we have all the verbs ending in AR, AR. For example, hablar, you see the ending AR, which is to speak. Tomar, AR also, which is to take. Trabajar, which is to work. And then in the second group, we have all the verbs ending in ER. For example, comer, you have here ER, ER. Beber, to drink. Leer, to read. And in the third group, we have all the verb ending in IR, ER. For example, vivir, IR, escribir, abrir. So all these verbs are regular, and then we need to conjugate it. Do you know how to conjugate verb in Spanish? Let's see, it's very easy, guys. So you have here three verbs that I conjugate for you. We have one from the first group, one from the second group, and one from the third group. So let's go there. Let's conjugate hablar. Hablar, to speak. ¿Hablas español? Do you speak Spanish? Sí, yo hablo español. All right, so let's see how to use it with the rest of the pronouns. We have here all the pronouns in Spanish, the personal pronouns. If you don't know them, I have a video that you can watch and then you can study them or you can review them, all right? So let's go there. We have yo hablo. So what you need to do to conjugate the verb is you remove the ending of the verb, okay? For example, AR, because this is the AR group. So you remove the AR, and then the main part of the verb is going to be the same for all of them, as you can see. Okay, you have, for example, HABL, so it's going to be the same for all the personal pronouns. The only thing you need to change is the ending, you see? And then for the regular verb in the first group, the ending is going to be always the same. For example, yo hablo, so for yo, the ending is going to be always O. Tú hablas, the ending is going to be always AS, as. Él, ella, usted habla. So the ending is going to be always A. Nosotros, nosotras, hablamos, amos. Vosotros, vosotras, habláis, ais. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, hablan. So an. So it's going to be always the same ending. The same thing with the second group, segundo grupo. Er. We have comer, to eat. Okay. Yo como. So the ending is going to be O for the second group, the same as in the first. Tú comes. Here is different. Here is es for this group. Él, ella, usted come. Nosotros, nosotras comemos. Vosotros, vosotras coméis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. All right, so you have the root of the verb, which is com, and then you add the ending. Let's go to the third group. Let's see here, vivir, to live. For example, yo vivo en Londres. So I live in London. All right, so we have yo vivo. You have the root of the verb. The main part of the verb is viv. So v-i-v. Yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella, usted vive, nosotros, nosotras vivimos, vosotros, vosotras vivís, ellos, ellas viven. So to catch up, guys, we have three groups of verbs in Spanish for regular verbs. Primer grupo, all the verbs ending in AR. Segundo grupo, all the verbs ending in ER. Tercer grupo, third group, all the verb ending in IR. All right, is it clear for you? Can you conjugate verb in Spanish now? Of course you can. We have here, I leave you here a list of regular verbs that you can conjugate. All these are regular, okay? So you have estudiar, to study, pasar, to pass, caminar, to walk, beber, to drink, tomar, to take, desayunar, to have breakfast, comer, to eat, llegar, to arrive, cenar, to have dinner, correr, to run, corregir, to correct, sonreír, to smile. So as you can see, you have here verb from the first group, from the second group, and from the third group. So try to conjugate them to practice, and if you want, write in the comment for me one of these verbs, but conjugate it for me in the comments, and I will correct it for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can help us to grow our channel and to upload more videos. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.